This is a voiceless consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word came, in the middle of the word lucky, at the end of the word sick, and at the beginning and end of the word clock. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Came, lucky, sick, clock. Okay. Now it may be difficult to hear the difference between this voiceless sound that you hear at the beginning of the word came and its voiced partner that you hear at the beginning of the word game. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the voiceless sound first. Came, game, back, bag, cage, gauge, calories, galleries. Now, if you can't hear the difference, you might be able to see the difference. Watch. Came, game, came, game. In English, we say the voiceless sound with a puff of air. Look. Came. Now let's practice. Listen to the examples and repeat after me. Came, game, back, bag, cage, gauge, calories, galleries. Okay.
Please consider subscribing. Thanks.